more bird watching. Now we got 1, 2, 3. Should I say 1, 2, 3 mourning doves out there right now? And wait, there's 4 of them. My bad. And a fat squirrel. Here comes another mourning dove. Yep, mourning dove. Earlier there was like a lot of living blackbirds out here. A lot of them. Now there's 2 mourning doves and a fat squirrel. They're gonna come back. Because it's so windy today, I think I might videotape inside. Where's that little mourning dove going? Gonna go. So cool. It's going over my truck. It's gonna go over by my truck. Man, where are the birds, man? Oh. Oh! 3 mourning doves. Oh wait, there's still 1 over by my truck. You're getting birdie. Crazy birds. Oh, what kind of bird is that? Is that like a woodpecker? What is that thing? What the heck is that? It's got a red head. Here comes that mourning dove. I think that is a woodpecker. What do you think? There goes that squirrel. Bye bye, squirrel. Now we got 5 mourning doves. Cool. And 1 woodpecker. If I think that is, if I'm correct. Oh, I just changed the way that poor mourning dove. I have a fat mourning dove out here. His name is Freddy. Freddy's a fat mourning dove. Ooh, that's a raven, whatever that is. It's a blackbird. There's a chickadee dee 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 dee. Ka ka ka. Now we got 4 mourning doves. And that woodpecker still out there. No, my bad. We got 5 mourning doves. Love bird watching. So much fun. Now we still got 5 mourning doves. I don't think I see Freddy out there. Freddy's a fat mourning dove. Ooh. 6 mourning doves. Just came in right there. Is that Freddy? Oh my god, that is Freddy. Freddy! There's Freddy right there. No, 1 just flew away. There's that blackbird. Raven, whatever it is. Here comes that squirrel. There's another blackbird. No, they both ran away because there's a thing coming. Squirrel, crazy squirrel. Why is that fat squirrel here? I don't know. This is cool, man. Yeah, eventually when I'm done with this, I gotta get ready to go to church. Can't believe Freddy's still out there. Those 2 mourning doves are chasing each other. Now they're all like spraying a brat everywhere. It's like a picture dance. Wee! There's a sparrow. There's one on the front deck right there. Cool. What was that? Now the sun's out. Do the pigeon dance. I won't flew away. Flew all the way over there in that tree. Well, that's the end, folks. See you later.